Welcome. I invite you now to find a quiet space where you can be undisturbed for the next few minutes. Get yourself to a calm place and allow yourself to settle into a position that is comfortable for you. You may sit, lie down, or even lean back on a chair, whatever feels right for your body in this moment. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Let your shoulders drop, your hands rest softly, and your body relax. This is your time, your sacred space for healing your mind and body. As you breathe naturally, I want you to know that everything we do in this session is grounded in science research. Shows that mindfulness, deep breathing, and guided visualization can reduce stress, lower cortisol, support immune function, and help your body repair itself naturally. So allow yourself to let go and trust the process. Now, bring your attention gently to your body. Notice where your body touches the surface beneath you, the chair, the bed, the floor. Feel the support of the ground holding you, keeping you safe, steady, and present. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. With every exhale, imagine releasing tension from your body, your jaw, your shoulders, your chest, your back. Let your body sink deeper into support with every breath. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light here. This light is soft, healing, and calming. It slowly begins to flow down through your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, releasing any tightness. Feel the warmth travel down your neck, your shoulders, your arms, all the way to your fingertips. With each breath, this healing light spreads deeper into your torso, your back, your stomach, your hips, down your legs, and into your feet. Your entire body is now enveloped in this gentle, healing glow. Notice the sensation of peace and comfort it brings. Now, let's focus on your breath. Inhale slowly for a count of 4. Hold gently for a count of 2. And exhale slowly for a count of 6. As you do this, imagine with each inhale that you are drawing in pure energy, peace, and healing into every cell of your body. With each exhale, release stress, tension, and anything that no longer serves you. Slow, controlled breathing activates your body's natural relaxation mode, helping to lower blood pressure, calm your mind, and boost overall healing. Keep breathing this way. Slow, deep, nourishing breaths, feeling your body respond to the rhythm of peace. Now, I invite you to imagine yourself in a serene, natural place. Perhaps a quiet forest, a beach at sunset, or a gentle meadow. Picture the environment in as much detail as you can. Feel the soft breeze. Hear the subtle sounds of nature. Notice the colors around you. In this peaceful place, visualize a warm golden light above you. This light represents healing energy. Watch as it slowly descends, entering the top of your head, moving down through your body. Wherever it touches, it brings renewal, comfort, and repair. Imagine this light reaching any part of your body that feels tense, sore, or heavy. See it gently dissolving stress, pain, or discomfort. Allow your body to soak in this light, your organs. Muscles and tissues embracing the warmth. The healing. Feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, and more at peace with every passing moment. Now bring your attention to your mind. Notice any thoughts that arise, worries, stress, or mental chatter. That's okay. We're not here to fight them. We are here to gently release them. Imagine each thought as a small cloud. Watch them drift across the sky of your mind. In and out. Slowly, effortlessly. Now, picture your mind as a clear, calm lake. With each breath, the water becomes smoother, reflecting peace and clarity. Negative thoughts and tension dissolve like ripples fading away. Feel your mind becoming spacious, serene, and free. Take a few moments to feel gratitude for your body and mind, for all they do for you every day. Thank yourself for taking this time to heal, to nurture, and to restore. Notice the subtle shifts in your body: relaxation, warmth, lightness. Notice your mind clarity, calm, and a sense of peace. Allow yourself to carry this feeling with you as you slowly return from this meditation. Begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you this sense of calm, healing, and restoration. If you enjoyed this meditation and want more videos on meditation, visualization, and mental health, make sure to follow the channel. Turn on your notifications and don't forget to like and comment. Your feedback will greatly encourage us and help us create even more content to support your mind and body wellness. Thank you for giving yourself this gift of care today.